This is the green department that I'm going to briefly explain to you. We're on the Trawler 54 with the new complete system to be 100% self-sufficient and able to sail without even having the engines on. At the moment, the generator is off. And despite that, thanks to the solar panels, we have 85 W of energy emission. So we come to the batteries, or rather, storage system of our energy. Right now, we've just started, and it's almost 8 p.m. So with sunset, we still have 2 hours and 51 minutes of autonomy. But this autonomy isn't just about using anything. At the moment, we're running the refrigerator and the air conditioner. On top of that, all the outlets and onboard accessories are working. And despite that, we're still in green mode because we don't need the generator during peak charging time. So during the day, when the solar panels are working at 100%, they can give us up to 8 hours of autonomy to stay cool inside with the air conditioning, cook on the hot plates, and keep the refrigerator and everything else running. So the direction is brilliant. The path that Bénéteau has taken to find alternative energy solutions is right here to see. If you're interested in exploring the possibility of having 100% green boats, or want to learn more about this system installed on this Trawler 54, it's a system that can be installed on any boat, even during a refit. So if you have a used boat, you can definitely install the whole system on your boat too. So the direction is brilliant. The direction that Bénéteau has taken to find alternative energy solutions is here to be seen. If you're interested in exploring the possibility of having 100% green boats, or want to learn more about this system installed on this Trawler 54, just know that it's a system that can be installed on any boat, even during a refit, like a used boat, maybe your own boat. The whole system can definitely be installed on your boat. Just know, all you need to do is contact us. All our contact information, as usual, is in the drop down of this video. On top of that, I recommend that if you don't want to miss any of our tips, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel. From Mandelina Napola, near Cannes. All that's left for me to say is fair winds. Always keep an eye on the weather.